Hi, I'm Suresh Jadia, and I recently graduated as an electrical engineer from Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University, Gandhinagar. During my final semester, I also appeared for ZAT 2020 and obtained a percentile score of 99.31, after which I proceeded to join the business management program at XLRI Delhi. So since I was pretty late in deciding what I wanted to pursue after my engineering, my prep began late as well. So it would be as good as mid-August or early September before I started my serious prep. And I had realized that there wasn't enough time to go through the entire syllabus thoroughly along with your academics and projects and all. So I went for something which I believed was a more efficient approach. I went for the mock analysis approach, which means I gave in as many mocks as I could, and I invested even more time in analyzing those mocks, what I did in those mocks rather. And the initial analysis was pretty much as what I expected it to be. So for most engineers, the verbal ability and the decision making would be the bottleneck, and quant would be comparatively smooth to prepare for. So I focused more of my energies on preparing for verbal ability and decision making, and even in that, rather than going through grueling sessions with Norman Lewis, I tried to develop more of an intuitive approach, wherein say in passages, in vocabulary, and even in the decision making section, say the answer should come to you from inside, especially in decision making. So what happens is you are given a certain situation and you are given 4 or 5 options regarding how would you like to proceed in that situation, and let's say in today's scenario it is very difficult to choose the best option, or rather the most ethical option to go forward with. And I guess working on that had really helped me, since in that decision making proved to be my strongest section, even better than quant. So yeah, for those who start late and who are engineers, I would suggest this strategy. One thing that I observed was constant across all exams is that people tend to take a lot of pressure. Now that pressure might be due to the external environment, or even due to what's at stake. But in the end, pressure is one of those things that inhibits people from performing at their actual potential. So what I would recommend is a day or two before the D-Day, just relax and do what makes you happy. Spend time with your family, watch movies, and just enjoy. You'll ace the exam on the D-Day.